Hello, I have recently purchased this, which is the Purple Panda Lavalier mic or lapel mic. It's relatively inexpensive. I bought it for about £25 on Amazon, so I thought I would show you what you get inside the bag and run it through a few tests. Okay, so it comes in a bag instead of a box, and then you get a drawstring bag inside, and opening it up, okay, so you get the main microphone itself with the normal lead. You get a 3-meter extension, a spare clip, you get a little windbreak, the fuzzy windbreak for the mic. This is an adapter for GoPros and for mini USB, and then you get another adapter there. Also comes with a compatibility guide, shows you which of the adapters should work in each device. Okay, so I have now wired myself up. Right there is the lav mic, and I've attached it to a smartphone in my pocket, which didn't require any adapters. Now I'm talking you to currently through the camera's microphone itself, and I'm going to switch over to the lav mic in 3, 2, 1. Now, so this is me talking through the lav mic. This is test 1, indoors, no wind, things like that. And as an extra little test, I've actually taken the microphone cover off, and this is me talking through the lav mic without the microphone cover, just to see if that made any difference. It's one thing presenting sat on the sofa inside, so for test number 2 I've come outside to this nature reserve over here. It's a bit of a drizzly day, there's a bit of breeze around, so hopefully this should put it through a reasonably good test. So at the moment I am presenting on the lav mic, and I'm going to switch over back to the camera now. So this is on the main camera, and back to the lav mic. Now, one obvious benefit of a lav mic is that you can be heard even though you're not near the camera. So as part of this test, this is me just walking towards the camera, just seeing whether it picks up any little noises from moving around and what the audio quality is in the light breeze. I've taken the opportunity of testing out the fuzzy windshield for test number 3. So I'm outside again, and let's see if this makes any difference. So here we go for test number 3. This is me walking towards the camera with the fuzzy windshield on. And walking back towards the camera. So did you notice any difference? Okay, for test number 4, I am in the car at highway speeds. So this is just a quick test just to see how well it picks up the voice as opposed to things like road noise, the sound of rain on the windscreen, and things like that. Okay, so there is my test of the Purple Panda Lavalier mic or lapel mic. All of the clips were recorded unedited apart from lining up the video and the audio. So what did you think? I thought the sound quality was a little bit muffled compared to the camera I'm usually used to, but it definitely was picking up a lot less background noise. So I hope you found that useful. Thanks for watching.